In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure junk mail options in Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly how to keep unwanted messages out of your inbox while making sure important emails still come through. Start by opening the classic Outlook desktop app. On the Home tab, look for the Junk menu. Click Junk, then choose Junk Email Options. This opens the window where you'll control how aggressively Outlook filters your messages. First, set your protection level. You'll see 4 choices. No automatic filtering means Outlook won't filter on its own and will only block senders you specifically list. Low is a light touch that catches the most obvious junk while keeping most regular mail safe. High is more aggressive and great if you get a lot of spam, but it can occasionally flag legitimate messages, so plan to check your junk email folder now and then. Safe lists only is the strictest. Your inbox will only accept messages from senders or domains you've approved. Pick the level that fits your situation and click OK to confirm. Next, manage your safe senders. Switch to the Save Senders tab and click Add to enter email addresses or entire domains, such as example.com. This is ideal for newsletters, clients, or internal domains you trust. When you're done, click Apply. If you'd like, enable the option to trust email from your contacts. That way, people in your address book won't end up in junk. This helps prevent false positives and reduces the need to rescue messages later. Now set up your block senders. Go to the Block Senders tab, click Add, and enter any addresses or domains you don't want to see. Messages from these will go straight to the junk email folder. Click Apply when finished. It's a good habit to review this list occasionally and remove entries you no longer need, especially if a sender changes or you've resolved an issue. If you use Outlook on the web, you can adjust similar settings there. Click the gear icon for settings, go to Mail, then Junk Email. Add entries to block senders and domains or save senders and domains, and click Save. While you're there, it's smart to empty your junk email folder periodically to keep things tidy. That's it. Thanks for watching.